If you have any mechanical aptitude, this is a great job for that. We do different stuff every day.
The job that we do here is basically work on all the heavy equipment we have in here.
They had an apprenticeship program that they were going to start, so I came over and did that for 2 years, and now I'm a beat mechanic.
A lot of moving parts, really big machinery. I also really like the satisfaction of knowing, hey, there's something wrong, and then myself and the guys that I work with mobilize and we're able to take care of it.
I like this company. It's been great for me. They gave me all the training I needed, and the apprenticeship program, I liked it.
It's always advancing. The electrical trade, it's always moving, it's always changing, so I'm always learning something. It's something different every day.